So this video is going to cover Workshop 3, Feature Engineering. The goal of this workshop is to go through the steps required to do feature selection and feature reduction. And at the end, we will also compare the effects of feature reduction and feature selection by training a model. You will find the sklearn cheat sheet a bit relevant this time round. There's quite a few things that are referred to. For example, train test split, standardization, and certain models. So you do want to keep this around so that you can double check with the cheat sheet as well. And we will definitely be using PCA. So this is going to use the AutoMPG dataset. So when you go through your notebook, you should update this path to point to the AutoMPG data.txt file so that you can load the data. It is the same file from Workshop 2, so you don't have to download it again, you can just refer to it. For example, I can use a relative path to refer to it if I have the file in a different module. So the remaining of the workshop would be looking at a recap of data cleaning, followed by PCA, and the two use cases of PCA. So go through the workshop and we will discuss this in class. There is a final section, which is an appendix, which you may want to skip for now if you don't have any time. This is to illustrate how to use LDA, which we would have discussed in class as well. So the end of the workshop is over here.